Renault globally premiered the Renault Kiger compact SUV in India. This sub 4-meter compact SUV has been designed and developed for India before making its international debut. Renault Kiger has been designed with a host of sporty and muscular elements. The Kiger's design was inspired by the Kiger show car that was unveiled at the end of 2020. With the CMFA Plus platform DNA, just like the Triber, it offers segment-leading roominess, cabin storage and cargo space. The Kiger has a ground clearance of 205 mm and comes with 16 inches alloy wheels with a black diamond cut finish. The Kiger has a length of 3991 mm, a width of 1750 mm without mirrors, and a height of 1600 mm with roof bars. It has a wheelbase of 2500 mm. The Kiger gets LED headlights, DRLs and tail lights. 3 LED headlights are separately encased in a clear chrome octagonal unit with a chrome reflector. The Kiger comes in 6 colors. All trim levels include a two-tone option. When you step inside, you get the impression of a floating cockpit accentuated by piano-style control dials, suspended air conditioning controls, and a pedestal that is easily accessible from the center console. The console features an 8 inches floating touch screen, giving the passenger compartment a modern look, and so does a 7 inches multi-skin reconfigurable TFT color cluster. The Kiger offers the best boot capacity in the segment, 405 litres, which extends to 879 litres with second row folded. At higher trim levels, the driver has access to multi-sense settings to select different driving modes. The modes include normal, eco and sports. The Kiger boasts of an Auditorium 3D sound system by Archimedes with 8 onboard speakers. The Kiger is fitted with a 3-cylinder turbocharged 1-litre petrol engine with a power output of 99 HP and a torque of 160 Nm, available from 3200 RPM. This 1-litre engine is paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox. An Xtronic automatic continuously variable transmission will be available shortly after the Kiger's commercial launch. The Energy 1-litre 71 HP and 96 Nm naturally aspirated engine is also available in the Kiger range with either a 5-speed manual or the EasyR AMT 5-speed robotized gearbox.